Yo, what's up guys, it's ApTreX here. In today's video, we'll be finally testing out the Olympus PS3 Emulator for Android on our low-end device. So right here is my iQOO Z6 Lite, which has a Snapdragon 4 Gen 1 processor. Along with that, only 6GB of RAM, out of which 2GB is actually available. Now it is said that to run PS3 games on Android, you really need a high-end device. Though is it really true? Let's find out. So right here, I'll be setting up the Olympus PS3 Emulator for the first time on my low-end Android device. We'll also be testing out games like God of War 3, WWE 2K17, Last of Us and lot more. So before getting started, if you guys are new here, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on all notification as I upload similar videos on my channel. And here we go guys, the Olympus emulator has successfully been added on this low-end Android device. Once that has been done, we'll just go ahead and go to drivers, and as this is an Android device which supports Turnip graphics driver, we'll be going with Turnip for today's video as it comes with Snapdragon 4 Gen 1 processor. Afterwards, let's just go ahead and start our PS3 emulator inside the Olympus Android and now open the Termux X11 app. I have also set up some on-screen touch controls using the Game Keyboard Plus app. Anyways, here we go, let's start setting up the PS3 emulator on our low-end Android device. So the first thing which we gotta do is go to File. Afterwards, make sure to import the PS3 firmware or else our PS3 emulator will not work. So we'll just go ahead and select our PS3 firmware. Afterwards, tap on the open button. As you will be able to see, it is successfully being set up. Now I have no idea how long it will take to compile PPU models, but PS3's ARM64 native build is being used, so I hope it doesn't take that long. Though here we go, as you guys can see, it says compiling PPU models. So let's wait for the foreseeable future. Okay guys, I'm not even joking, it literally took like 20 minutes for the PPU models to be compiled, and finally now we can start importing our games. So first of all, we'll go to the import package option. Afterwards, here are all of the games that we'll be trying out in our today's video. Let's start with the first game, which is going to be Sonic, a small title. Let's tap on yes and import this PS3 game on our Android device. Once that has been done, tap on the OK button. Afterwards, we'll need to go to gamepad and make sure to map all the controls. So let me map all the touch controls. Now that I have finished mapping all the touch controls, let's try out our first game, which is going to be Sonic CD Trial. And once again, I hope it doesn't take 20 minutes to compile PPU models or else I gotta off myself. And here we go guys, looks like our game is about to start and I might have epilepsy because just take a look at how much the screen is actually stuttering, and it looks like even the on-screen touch controls are not appearing. Like, I have enabled Game Keyboard Plus, so let me show you guys. As you will be able to see, my entire low-end device is deciding to die because it just can't handle it, bro. Like, it just can't handle everything. Just take a look at this, everything is crashing. It's just so funny to me because PS3 on a low-end Android device, nah bro, it's not possible. And here we go, now we finally got some on-screen touch controls. We also got the Sega intro screen, and it looks like it's going to take another hour for a game to load. And I had literally loaded, I am not even kidding, I had literally loaded 6 games thinking that some of them would actually be playable. But just taking a look at this Sonic CD Trial, one of the lowest of the low-end 2D titles that you can emulate on your Android devices using PS3, is giving me like 2 to 3 FPS even during the intro screen. I can't even imagine how the game will work once it actually starts. So God of War, I don't think it will even work. I don't think it's even worth testing. But here we go, finally guys, after, oh my god, this is so slow. Let's just go ahead and press the start button, and yeah, lot of graphical issues once again. And as you guys will be able to see at the top left corner, it says the PS3 application has crashed. So unfortunately guys, this is a complete disaster. If 2D title like Sonic CD does not work, then there is literally no use of testing any other game like God of War, Last of Us, WWE 2K17 and so on. So make sure to comment down below, rest in peace. And I think that literally proves the point that this device is no joke guys. It has Snapdragon 4 Gen 1, it can emulate games like GTA 4, Nintendo Switch titles as well, but PS3 titles, no way, even with the native ARM64 build of PS3 emulator. So do not try the Olympus emulator unless you have at least Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor or above. That's going to be it for today's video though. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, turn on all notification. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.